Let me ask you something. Is your suitcase protecting your belongings or actively plotting against you at baggage claim? Welcome, I'm Jess of Okayas Family Travels. Today we are tackling one of the most underestimated decisions in modern travel: hard-sided luggage versus soft-sided luggage. Because nothing says I have my life together quite like choosing the correct container for your chaos. Today, we're going to break down durability, weight, flexibility, organization, weather resistance, aesthetics, and who each type is actually for. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which suitcase deserves to roll beside you into the sunset. Let us begin the battle. Hard-sided luggage is typically made from materials like polycarbonate, ABS plastic, or aluminum. It has a rigid shell that does not flex much. Soft-sided luggage is usually made from ballistic nylon, polyester, or other woven fabrics. It has give and generally outside pockets. Hard-sided luggage says I am structured. Soft-sided luggage says I am adaptable. Let's talk about trauma, specifically the trauma your suitcase experiences when you hand it to an airline. Hard-sided luggage excels at impact resistance. Polycarbonate shells especially are designed to absorb shock and flex slightly without cracking. Aluminum options are extremely strong but can dent. Dents, however, are often cosmetic. They give character. It's also typically easier to clean. You can wipe it down or hit it with a magic eraser to remove dirt and marks. Soft-sided luggage handles impact differently. Instead of resisting force, it absorbs it. Fabric can tear, but high-quality ballistic nylon is surprisingly resilient. The bigger risk with soft-sided bags is stains, abrasion, and puncture. If you check your luggage often, hard-sided generally offers better protection. If you tend to carry on and avoid baggage claim like it's a contagious disease, both options can perform beautifully. If you pack breakables, hard-sided is protective. If you pack clothes and questionable impulse purchases, soft-sided is perfectly adequate. Airlines have decided that Joy has a strict weight limit. Hard-sided luggage used to be heavier. Modern polycarbonate versions are now surprisingly lightweight. Aluminum cases, however, can still weigh more before you even put socks inside. Soft-sided luggage is typically lighter overall, especially in larger checked sizes, but pay attention because often soft-sided luggage can weigh as much or more than hard-sided. I'm looking at you, away carry-on. If you're the kind of traveler who pushes a weight limit with aggressive optimism, soft-sided may give you a slight advantage. If you pack light and are disciplined, hard-sided weight will not likely matter. Soft-sided luggage shines when it comes to flexibility. Fabric bags can expand. They can bulge slightly without structural rebellion, which feels significant when you're trying to fit a sweater you definitely did not need but deeply wanted. Hard-sided luggage does not negotiate. If it's full, it's full. There's no emotional compromise. The shell closes or it does not. So, if you're going to go the hard shell route, maybe get one with an expansion zipper. If you are an overpacker, soft-sided luggage will enable you. If you're trying to reform your overpacking habits, hard-sided luggage may be the accountability partner you need. Soft-sided luggage usually wins the pocket game. Exterior pockets allow quick access to travel documents, chargers, snacks, and that lip balm you will absolutely lose. Hard-sided luggage tends to have a clamshell design with 2 compartments inside. Organization is often structured with zippered dividers and compression straps. My personal preference is 2 zipper dividers or a compression pad over the Y or X straps. If you like everything sealed away neatly and evenly distributed, hard-sided feels satisfying. If you like the ability to slide something in last minute without reopening the entire suitcase, soft-sided is going to be your friend. Exterior pockets are incredibly convenient. They're also slightly chaotic, so choose your adventure. Hard-sided luggage is generally more water resistant. Rain will bead and roll off. Your belongings will remain protected for the most part. Soft-sided luggage can absorb moisture if it's exposed long enough. Many modern fabrics are treated for water resistance, but they are not waterproof. If you travel frequently in rainy climates or snowy destinations, hard-sided gives extra peace of mind. If your exposure to weather is mostly the 12 seconds between the terminal and your rideshare, either option will survive. Hard-sided luggage often includes integrated TSA-approved locks. The rigid shell makes it more difficult to slash open, and many have zipperless options that are pretty difficult to crack into. Soft-sided luggage relies heavily on zipper strength. High-quality models include lockable zipper pulls, but fabric can technically be cut. If security gives you anxiety, hard-sided may offer psychological comfort. However, seasoned travelers know that true security comes from not packing anything you can't afford to lose. Hard-sided luggage looks sleek, it photographs well, it rolls into hotel lobbies like it has reservations. Soft-sided luggage looks practical. It says, "I've been places." If you love color options and glossy finishes, hard-sided delivers. If you prefer understated durability, soft-sided has the range. There's no wrong look. There's only the one that matches your travel personality. Choose hard-sided luggage if you check bags frequently, you pack fragile items, you value water resistance, and you prefer structure and sleek design. Choose soft-sided luggage if you overpack with enthusiasm, you want exterior pockets, you prefer flexibility and expansion, and you prioritize lighter weight in larger sizes. The truth is, neither is universally superior. They're tools. Choose the one that supports how you actually travel, not how you imagine yourself traveling. At the end of the day, your suitcase should work for you. It should glide beside you. It should not fight you in the security line. It should not split open dramatically on a carousel like a reality television meltdown. Hard-sided luggage offers protection and polish. Soft-sided luggage offers flexibility and function. Both can be excellent. Both can fail if poorly made. Quality is what's going to matter most. So, if you're in the market for luggage, remember this conversation. Choose the one that fits your habits, your packing style, and your tolerance for chaos. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel wisdom served with a side of sass. Your support helps this channel grow, and I truly appreciate it. Now go somewhere fabulous. Thanks for watching.